You ask Tiger to calculate. This deals with linear inequalities with one unknown. The final result is -4 greater than -6. Let's solve it step by step. Group all b terms on the left side of the inequality. Subtract b from both sides. Group like terms. Simplify the arithmetic. Group like terms. Simplify the arithmetic. Plot the solution on a coordinate grid. And so the final result is -4 greater than -6.